Hi, welcome back to 12th video of this Java programming tutorial series. In this video, we will be discussing on a special type of class called as an interface. So what is an interface? How interface allows us to achieve multiple inheritance indirectly in Java. So before knowing what is interface, we need to learn about multiple inheritance and then a problem that occurs with multiple inheritance. So that is why it is not directly supported in Java, and that is why interface comes into picture. So what is multiple inheritance? There is a class C, there is a child class that inherits from multiple parent classes, multiple base classes. So here in this example, class A and class B. Class A inherits from class A and class B as well. So as of this example, there is no ambiguities or no exceptions or anything. Now imagine this example, class A and class B. So both class A and class B has integer variable with same name. Age is the variable. But in class A, the value of that age variable is given as 40, and class B, the age of value of age variable is given 80. Now, as per the rule of inheritance, class C inherits from class A and class B as well. Now, the compiler will have a confusion on which age value to be inherited here. So this is the problem with multiple inheritance. This issue is also called as deadly diamond of death. So this is most frequently asked in interviews also. So what is deadly diamond of death problem in Java, or what is the problem for which interface has come as solution for that? So like that they will ask. So this is the issue why multiple inheritance is not directly supported in Java. So now let us proceed further. So two classes with same variable name but different values cannot be inherited here. But I need to inherit. So what is the solution? Just removing the value from both A and B and leaving that variable uninitialized, just declared alone. Now as per the rule of inheritance, class C inherits from class A, that will insist class C to have age variable. Again, class C inherits from class B. So as per rule, class C will be supposed to have variable named age. So there is no issue on which age has been inherited. So since it is not initialized, both age variable is same. So now removing the declared value and leave the variables as removing the defined value and leave that variables as declared prevents from this problem occurring. Since both class have same variable name and no value inside it, it is more than enough that if class C contains only one age value. So this satisfies the problem of inheriting from class A and class B as well. Now, preventing this age value to have some value, we have changed the class A and class B to interface A and interface B. Here comes the interface into picture. So interface is nothing but a pure form of abstract class. So what do you mean by abstract class? I think you can go back to previous video and check what is abstract class and abstract method. But I will tell you shortly here. Abstract class and abstract method is nothing but an abstract method will have only declaration and not definition, no body of the table. So an abstract class will mostly have abstract method, but it can also have non-abstract methods. But so what do you mean by abstract method? It will have only declaration and not definition. So interface is one such class that is called as pure form of abstract class. So with that property, all the variables and methods of interface will be only declared and not defined. So when two or more interfaces has all the variables and methods only declared and not defined, it is very easy for us to inherit from multiple interfaces to single child class. There will not occur any problem or any confusion on which a variable from the multiple interfaces has to be inherited, because it is only declared and not defined. So it is enough that any one age variable is inherited, because there is no value, and we will process it further in C class. So then what is an interface? Interface is a pure form of abstract class, which means it can have only a method with a declaration alone and no definition, and a variable with a declaration alone and not a definition. We will create an interface now. New interface calculator. Int I equal to 100. If I declare some, I define some value, it will show an error when we inherit. So when I try to define some line of code in a method in an interface, it will show an error, because abstract methods do not specify a body, which means this method is supposed to have only declaration and not a definition. Where comes this rule? This is an interface, and interface is a pure form of abstract class, and hence it can have only abstract methods. Now what I will do is new class, class A. It should not be class A. I will show you why. Interface class A. Interface class B. So what I will do is, so I will be having same method calculate in both class A and class B. I mean interface A and interface B. I will try to inherit from class A and class B to main class. So to inherit an interface, keyword implements is used. Implements class A, comma class B. So immediately after implementing, same as like what we did in abstract class, while inheriting an abstract class, all unimplemented methods, that is abstract methods, that is methods that is only declared and not defined, must be declared immediately in subclass or child class. So same thing is happening here. Immediately after implementing class A and class B, both are interface, the unimplemented method present in class A and class B must be implemented immediately in the main class. Add unimplemented method. We have two interfaces, class A and class B, and both has only one method named calculate. So calculate method is present in both the class, but even though we have implemented two classes, it is enough that if we implement this calculate method only once. So implementing this method only once will satisfy both class A and class B implementing. So this is the concept of interfaces in Java. Hope this video is useful and informative. In case you have any queries, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.